Okay, this time around we're going to talk about adding an actual page, creating a page, making a page, however you want to term it. Now for these tutorial videos, I need to actually make a page to put these videos into. So I'll go ahead and kill two birds with one stone, and I'm going to show you how to make a page, how to add it to the menu, how to view it, test it, all that kind of fun stuff. Let's go back to the admin. We're going to see pages. I'm going to go ahead and click this. Alright, we're going to see the pages we already have. You know, about, the buttons, the contact, custom design, where to buy. I'm going to go ahead and add a new one. Click Add New. This is going to be for your video tutorials. Alright, now, first thing I want to point out is this section right here. More than likely, you probably, when you come to this page, your editor probably looks like this. Now, there are two types of editors, visual and HTML. That's up to you what you want to use. If you want to use HTML, fine. You want to use visual, that's fine as well. Okay, so for now I'm going to start with visual. One other thing I want to point out, for this, at least for this section, is you see this little icon right here, show, hide, kitchen sink. Click this, gives you a few more options. Basically, it's like a Word doc or an email editor. You can bold text, you can add hyperlinks, you can, do quotes or justify left, all that stuff you can do. And simply, when you're creating a page, you give it the title, which I've done, and then you add your stuff, your content, your text, your whatever the case is going to be. You put that right in there. Over on the right, this section, you'll see Publish. If it's a page that's never been created before, you'll see Publish, and that actually saves it and sets it up as a page. If it's a page that's already been created and you're working in it, you're editing it, it's actually going to say Update. Okay? So you can actually preview before you save it. You can save the draft before you really publish it. If you want to make sure you're not making any mistakes, you can do all that. But right now I'm going to go ahead and publish it. Publish it actually means put it on the server, save it to the server. So now that we've made this page, let's go to the front end and look at it. And what happens, you'll notice that we can't, at least not from this section, not from the menu, because it has not been added to the menu. So if you have seen the menu tutorial, you'll know that you have to add a page to the menu to have it physically on the menu. So video tutorials, I'm not adding to the menu because it's for you, not for the clients or possible visitors to view, only for you to view. But if we were going to add it, basically you create a new page. Let's say you want to add it to the menu. We're going to roll over to Appearance, Menus, and on the left, what do we see? Under Pages section, we see Video Tutorials. Check it, add the menu, and then this is not going to fit, so I'm going to add it as a drop down real quick. Move it into position, save it. Now if I refresh, where to buy video tutorials. So I know that was fast, but there's another section on doing the menu, so please watch that if you're lost on setting up a menu item. Let me go ahead and remove this, save, and let's go back to our page. Let's see, video tutorials. Alright, now once we're here, we can actually view the page from here without adding it to the menu. So if you're wondering how you can actually view it without doing that, easy. We can do preview changes, or we can hit what I suggest is view page. And here's the page with my default text. Oh, I noticed I didn't change this hey look at me button. Let me do that real quick. Hold on. Okay, taking care of that. So we're looking pretty good. Let me go ahead and drop in my video text. This part you really don't have to pay attention to. I'm just adding the video to make sure it works. I'm going to update it. View page, that's showing up. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Working with the editor and pages, I would probably suggest you work in visual mode. That way you can insert text and things of that much. At least it looks more like an email or a Word doc editor or something like that. Okay, that'll do it.